Come and bake with me Black Forest cake. Hello dear bakers! For today's video, as I've said, we're going to make a Black Forest cake. So for the ingredients, you can check out on the list. And now let's start. First, we just combine the cocoa powder. So it's about 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. And then add a 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, one teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And now let's start the mix. And now let's add 2 cups of brown sugar. And then 500 grams of water, or equivalent to 2 cups. And then 1 piece whole egg, and 120 grams of oil. So it's about a 1/2 cup and 3 tablespoons. And then let's add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And now let's continue to mix until it becomes smooth. So this is actually a recipe of moist chocolate cake. So usually sa originally pala sa Black Forest cake, ginagamit talaga is chiffon cake. So for this cake, so ginawa ko is moist chocolate cake. So yan, let's mix until it becomes smooth. And syempre, let's strain to remove impurities. So, para mas maging smooth pa yung ating moist chocolate cake. And now, let's transfer into our prepared cake pan lined with baking paper. So, itong gamit kong baking pan is a 4 inches. Ayan. 4 inches round baking pan, and then yung isa is 6 inches. So, we will make a mini cake and isang malaki. 4 inch and then yung 6 inch na cake. So, nakagawa tayo ng 5 na cake dito sa ating recipe. So, divide lang natin siya. And now, let's bake into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. And we're done! So, let it cool down completely. And now, let's start to arrange our cake. So, nakagawa na ako a while ago nung ating chocolate ganache. And then, ready na rin yung ating cherries. So, first, let's poke our cake using our fork. So, ayan. Para ma-absorb niya yung syrup na spread natin. ayan, we're going to spread yung cherry syrup natin. So, yan, i-brush lang natin siya all over the cake. Ayan, para ma-absorb niya yung flavor ng ating cherries. So, originally, sa totoong recipe ng Black Forest cake, we are using a kirsch. So, pwede rin naman yung cherry syrup. Maraschino cherry syrup natin. And now, let's spread our chocolate ganache all over our cake. So, ilagyan muna natin sa ibabaw. So, ayan. So, i-coat lang natin yung ating cake ng ating chocolate ganache. So, yan. For the ganache, alam niyo naman yung recipe lang natin is yung ating heavy cream. I-simmer lang natin siya and then let's add the chocolate. Yan, chocolate chips. And then, ayan. Pag nag-boil na, ayun. So, simple lang yung paggawa ng ating chocolate ganache. So, ayan. I-coat natin siya and then let's add cherries. Ayan. Yung in-slice ko yung ibang cherries natin. Pwede rin naman siya, ayan, as it is, yung ganyan, maganda rin naman siya tignan. Pero, syempre, lalagyan pa rin natin siya ng ating frosting. So, ayan, lagyan natin ng parang pinaka-fillings niya, yung ating cherries, yung sliced cherries natin. Ayan. And then, iset aside lang natin siya. And now, let's prepare our whipping cream. So, you know, yun ating gamit is yung Everwhip. And then, let's add a vanilla extract. And then, ayan. I-whip lang natin siya until maging stiff na yung ating whipping cream. At pwede na siyang i-coat sa ating Black Forest cake. So, antay lang natin hanggang mag-thicken na siya. And now, let's start to arrange our cake. So, ayan yung una. So, simple lang naman yung ating coating. So, hindi naman kailangan ismooth natin yung ating pagpo-frosting. So, kanya-kanya naman yung design kung ano yung gusto nyo. So, ayan. Ayan, spread lang natin yung ating whipping cream para makover yung ating chocolate ganache and the cherries. So, ayan. Spread lang natin all over the cake. So, hindi naman kailangan na smoothen na rin siya para sa ating design. Kasi, lalagyan pa rin naman natin siya ng added flavor. And which is, ito yung ating chocolate chips. So, wala akong chocolate compound na nakat. So, ito lang yung aking in-slice yung aking mga chocolate chips. Ayan, lagyan lang natin yung palibot ng ating cake. Ayan, para manguha na rin siyang talagang Black Forest cake. Ayan, palibutan lang natin ng ating sliced chocolate. So, ganun din. So, ayan, simple pipe lang naman, sa ibabaw lang. Ayan, na-cover lang natin yung ating cake, pati yung cherries. So, nag-serve na rin siya as a filling. Ayan. And then, lagyan din natin ulit siya ng ating in-slice na chocolate chips. So, ayan, lagyan lang natin siya sa ibabaw para mas maging maganda at presentable ang ating cake. So, mas maganda talaga kung grated chocolate. Siyempre, kailangan natin munang gamitin kung ano yung meron tayo. Yan, para mas tipid. And besides, chocolate rin naman siya, diba? So, ayan, lagyan lang natin sa ibabaw. Ayan. So, hindi ko na kinubo yung buong ating mini cake. So, sa ibabaw lang talaga yung lagyan ko ng frosting para maiba naman yung design. And then, let's add our cherries on top. Ayan. Para mas mukhang presentable at mas magmukhang Black Forest cake talaga siya. Ayan. Ayan. So, okay na siya. Ganda na. So, ayan. Nakagawa tayo ng 4 na mini and then the 6 inches. So, isa. So, ayan. Ready to serve na ang ating Black Forest cake. My own version. So, ayan. Pwede naman tayo mag-recreate ng kahit anong recipe. Halimbawa, yan. Black Forest cake. So, may konting inano lang tayo. Iniiba sa recipe. Yan. So, ayan. Ang ating Black Forest cake. Very presentable at ready na lalo na this coming Christmas season. Ayan, so nakaka-tempt na rin talaga siyang kainin kasi amoy na amoy mo yung chocolate. Ayan. And then yung cherries, ayan, ma-aroma din siya eh. Now we have our Black Forest cake. Ayan, perfect na perfect yan. This coming Christmas season, holiday season. Yan, pwede nyo i-serve ang ating napaka-easy recipe na Black Forest cake. So, ayan, simple lang ang ating cake. So, pwede nyo rin itong gawin sa muffin pan. Ayan, pwede siyang Black Forest cupcake yan. Pwede rin siya. Ayan, ready na ang ating Black Forest cake. So, ito na. Ready na to serve ang ating Black Forest cake. And syempre, ayan, sobrang bango. And then, titikman din natin syempre ang ating cake. Ayan, so, taste test for our cake. Ayan, kita-kita nyo napaka-moist ng ating cake. And then, of course, one bite. So, perfect talaga yung lasa niya. Sobrang sarap talaga. At hindi siya gaanong nakakaumay, lalo na yung whipping cream. So, another bite for our Black Forest cake. Ayan. So, sobrang sarap niya talaga, guys. So, itry nyo na siya. At sigurado kung magugustuhan ng mga loved ones nyo. Siyempre, yung ating cherries. Cherry lang pala kasi isa lang. Ayan. Ayan, sobrang sarap talaga, guys. Recommended talaga tong recipe na to. Sobrang dali lang. At syempre, ano din siya, affordable din siya. So, perfect na perfect yung ipanghanda, lalo na this coming Christmas season. So, ayan, kitang-kita nyo yung pagka-moist ng ating chocolate cake. So, thank you, guys. Until next recipe!